Let us start the most important topic, bipartite and the complete bipartite graph. Let us see the first definition, bipartite graph. If G, any graph, is the collection of vertex and the edges, is said to be bipartite graph if it satisfies the two properties. First property, if the vertex set V is divided into the two vertex set, first V1 set and the V2 set, such that every edge had its end into the two different classes. That means any edges has two ends, first in lie in the V1 part and second in lie into the V2 part. And second property, it has no loop. That means this structure cannot lie into the graph. Let us see the example. Any vertex set is the collection of the 5 vertices, and any vertex set is divided into the two vertices V1 and V2, and 2 vertices lie in V1 and 3 vertices lie in V2. Similarly, let us see, there are two classes V1 and V2, 2 vertices lie in V1, 3 vertices lie in V2. If any graph is said to be a bipartite if every edge had its end into two different classes. If A is connected by the C, then the edge is generated by E1, and E1, let us see, the E1 edge has two ends. First ends lie in the V1 and second in lie into the V2. Similarly, B is connected to D, then the edges E2 has two ends. First in B lie in V1 and second in lie in V2. Similarly, B is connected to E, first end edges E3 has two ends. First ends lie in V1 and second in lie in the V2. Then this is called the bipartite graph. Let us see the next topic, complete bipartite graph. Complete bipartite means complete plus bipartite. Complete matlab each vertices of V1 are connected to each vertices of V2, and KMN, that means it is denoted by the KMN, that means M number of vertices in V1 and number of vertices in the V2. Let us see the two vertices. Let us see the same examples. V1 classes and V2 classes. If the graph is said to be the complete bipartite if any edges is connected from the A vertices to the C, and another edge is connected to B, D, and same another edges is connected from A to E, then same another edges is connected from B to C, and another edges is connected to B, and another edges is connected from B to E, then it is called a complete bipartite graph. That's